Today we are going to see the leetcode question 103, that is binary tree zigzag label order traversal. We are given the root of a binary tree and written the zigzag label order traversal of its node values, that is from left to right then right to left. In the previous binary tree label order traversal, first we were just doing first traversing 3 as the root node, then 9 20, then 15 7. But here first we have to traverse root, then right to left, then left to right, then further right to left, left to right. So here it is similar to level order traversal, but we have to take an extra bool variable to keep the track. For first iteration we have to traverse from right to left, then for the second left to right, then from right to left. So here in this example, first it traverses 3, then 20, then 29 in the same level, then 15, and then 7. This is the answer. So here is the code. First we have taken a vector int answer type, which we have to return finally. And first we have checked if there is no root, then we have to return the answer. Then we have initialized a queue which would store all the nodes of the tree, that is tree node star. And first we have initialized a bool variable 1, then we have pushed the root of the tree to the queue. Then until queue becomes empty, we take each time the size of the queue and a vector vt, which would store all the elements in the same level, and we have to iterate till the size of the queue. And for each iteration we have to take the queue front and pop it from the queue, and we have to push it into the vector, its value, the node value, we have to push it into the vector. And if left is present, and we have to push the left into the queue, and if right is present, we have to simultaneously push the right. Then comes the change for zigzag traversal. This much is same for the level order traversal. If zigzag, we have to make zigzag, first we have to initialize a bool variable 1. If that is 1, then we have to make it 0, because first we have to travel the root node, then from right to left, then from left to right, then this continues and goes on. And if b is 1, then we have to make it we have to make b as 0 and push the vt vector to the final answer vector. If b is 0, that is we have already made one traversal, then the second time we are traversing, then if b is 0, then we have to reverse. That is, first we have to traverse this way, and the second part we have to reverse it. That is, if it is 2 3 6 is stored, then we have to reverse it to make 3 and 2. So we have to reverse the vector vt and then add it to push back it into the answer, and we have to return finally the answer. This is the code.